everyone.
Maggie's in front.
And Kay's behind.
There we go.
Ha! That confused you. Confused me. Okay, this time this is the walkthrough of our Sunkist album, and we did this at... We used to call it Owslebury, but it's actually pronounced Owslebury.
Oh, it was Owslebury. Yes, Owslebury. Yes, yeah.
Well, we had a great time down there. We've used one pack of 8x8 and also an additional sheet of each pattern for this. So that's the front, the spine, and the back. Okay, so when you open this up, you've got a pocket there. I'm not sure if, no, I didn't. You could make that into a pocket. I didn't. We've got another pocket here. I like all these colours in this one. And then that lifts up. You've got a flap at the top with a pocket. And then here, you've got a curved frame pocket. Again, pocket pages. So here, pattern matching, and you've also got, it's what's like a quick catch-up page. And I put the little fishes along the edges just to give a bit more interest.
Mm-hmm.
Pockets, pockets, pockets. And then here, pattern matching again, inside a central frame. I just love these turtles. You can see I've gone absolutely mad with glossy accents. I just love those turtles.
That was a year there was a national shortage of glossy accents.
There was. Yeah.
Most of it was here.
It was. Yeah, there was a time when you couldn't get it, wasn't there? Wonder why. Okay, so swivel closes this one here, and then you've got two little... Yeah, look, I really went to town, didn't I? Surprised I didn't drown them. Okay, another pocket here. And again, this is a belly band here. And we've put, no, it's not a belly band, it's a pocket. And we've put little pictures inside there, 3x3s. And then on the back page, got a diagonal corner pocket, normal pocket, and then that's your back cover. I just think they're fun colours, those.
Yeah, they're nice. Yes, yeah, they're very old-fashioned seaside-y, isn't it?
Yeah, that used to be like when we used to go to the seaside. Okay.
Well, the knitted.
I didn't have a knitted swimming costume.
You didn't live unless you had a knitted swimwear. All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.